We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Brenda Dee. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making
some southern fried ribs, y'all, and here are our ingredients. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show y'all these ribs that I purchased at a local supermarket. These are some pork finger ribs. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry these ribs, and I'm going to show y'all how I do it. And so I'm going to rinse these off, and I'm going to place them in this bowl. And then I'm going to show y'all how to soak your ribs. And I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. I have covered my ribs with water. And what I'm going to do now is, y'all see I got this big, large gallon jug of vinegar, and I'm going to pour some in here. In here with my ribs. I maybe put maybe a half a cup of vinegar in there. Move these around a little bit to make sure the vinegar is well incorporated in the water and my ribs. This process helps clean the ribs and also tenderizes them. Okay, I'm gonna let these sit for about an hour, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, y'all, our ribs have soaked. I'm gonna take this to my sink, pour this water off, rinse them off very good, and then we're ready to season our ribs. Here I'm sprinkling on some seasoned salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Here I'm mixing my seasonings into my ribs. Here I have placed my flour in the bowl, and now we're getting ready to coat our ribs. Here I'm coating my ribs with some all-purpose flour. Here I have preheated my oil in my cast iron pot. I've preheated my oil on like a medium high heat. Please don't have your oil too high because your ribs can fry too fast and they will burn. Most of the time I'll start them on a high heat and then I reduce my heat. When cooking pork ribs, you have to have your heat at the right temperature because they will cook too fast, like I said, and then they may burn or they may not be done. So you have to have these on a medium high heat. I'm continuing to place my ribs, and please try not to overcrowd them because they will start sticking. What you want to do is to move your ribs over. Since I'm not cooking a lot of ribs, I'm going to be able to add all my ribs into this skillet. But like I said, please try not to crowd your skillet. Here I'm showing y'all how my ribs are frying. These are not frying too fast and they're not frying too slow. Here I'm checking my ribs to see if they're ready to be turned over. And they are. See how brown they are? So these are ready to be flipped over. See, that one is ready. That's how you know if they're ready to be flipped. They will have a golden brown coating. I usually let these ribs cook for like 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. The smaller ones should be ready in like 10 to 12 minutes. Here I have started taking out some of my ribs. These are ready. I do also have some more ribs over there, but these are pretty big size, and so I'm going to let those cook a little bit longer. So I let these cook for an additional 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, our ribs are all ready, And now I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, we are back. We're plating up our meal. We're having black-eyed peas, some Cajun red potatoes, and now our ribs and some cornbread. I used to love when my mother would cook these ribs, y'all. I would just sit there and wait on my plate. They were so delicious. Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all. And yes, y'all, don't forget to go over and check out our family channel, Miss Brenda Dee Place. Okay, y'all, like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Be safe and be blessed. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
That's a hit.